Elena and Ethan, so you have a plan to have your own vet place as a team? Can you tell me about it?
I'm gonna do ones that don't do dogs.
Is this going to be one big vet clinic that you all work?
They're gonna be offices, and we're gonna hire people. So I'm gonna be the only one who does not do dogs. I do cats, birds, hamsters, hedgehogs, squirrels, chipmunks, geese, turtle, and all of those things. And then,
Eva, you said cats and birds, but cats eat birds, right? So
yeah, but they're gonna be two operations. Like I'm gonna do the two separate times. Who's gonna be the boss? Me. I'm being the boss. No, I'm hire dogs to pull. No, I'm gonna be. Oh, dogs to take. Dogs to take. I'm gonna be the main one. I'm gonna be the. I'll be the mini boss. I'm gonna be the boss. I want to be the boss. Maybe there to be two bosses. No, I'm the bigger sister. Excuse me, I'm the bigger sister. I get
maybe there can be three bosses.
Shouldn't the oldest be the boss?
I'm the old. I'm the I want to be the boss. I'm the boss. Whoever's the youngest. I'm the boss.
And who?
I'm the oldest.
I'm the youngest, so
I get to be the boss.
Oh, I get to be the boss. No, she's the boss.
Okay.
I'm the boss. I pet them all as they come in the door.
No, I get to pet them. I'm the chocolate
Yeah.
Eva, Elena, Ethan, so you said you were going to hire someone. Who are you going to hire?
I have no idea.
Hi, everybody. What are they going to do?
We don't have any more kids to help us.
What's mom gonna do, Ethan?
No, I'm gonna do that.
I'm the one that calms them down.
Who's?
Ethan, when you marry someone who has no idea,
What happens when there's so many animals in there?
your wife is gonna have kids.
Too many animals for us to pet.
Who's gonna look after the kids? Maybe if the mom becomes a vet too. But you're gonna be a vet. Then who's gonna take care of the kids? They're gonna do nothing. They're just gonna sit there and do nothing, and then get bored, and then be thirsty and be hungry the whole entire day.
Ethan, what do you?
They're gonna be with us.
Ethan, what animals are you going to be a vet for?
Every single animal in the universe.
In the universe. That's even more encompassing.
Any animals specifically?
What? What was that?
Cats.
Cats. Any exotic animals that you'd like to take care of that you think it would be fun to take care of?
I'm the exotic one.
Huh? Tigers. Eva, are you going to do tigers as well?
No.
Okay.
Not just any tiger. The Siberian tiger.
Oh, a Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger or nothing?
The whole entire universe.
Yeah, it's actually the biggest cat in the universe.
Yeah,
Oh.
The biggest one.
Okay, Elena, how about you? What are you going to be?
I'm gonna be, hey, I need the last one.
I'm sure we have more.
There's probably more, babes.
I'm gonna do every single animal in the universe.
Humans a lot.
What's your favorite to take care of?
Farm animals.
Okay. Eva,
Bless you.
have a bite.
What?
Have a bite of food.
Both.
Okay. Any last thoughts about your vets?
No.
Anyone else? Anyone going to have a farm as well?
No. Yes. We're gonna all live together, and then eventually when we have we marry, we're gonna separate. Cause we're gonna go in different homes. Cause I don't think we're gonna fit everyone in a home.
We're having
You
huge
just
man.
build a new part to a new addition to the
Yeah,
And I'm also gonna be a builder.
You're going to be a builder?
So you'll build the house too?
You were good with humans, so I knew what to
Perfect.
do. I wrapped you under your neck. Got make sure you look cute, and then I cut you. Don't eat me. Don't eat
Your doggy stink. This doggy.
Don't